Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOWIE XL-X Series XL2546X and XL2586X gaming monitors. So friends, ZOWIE XL-X Series introduced two new models, the XL2546X and XL2586X, equipped with advanced fast TN panel technology and the innovative DyAc technology. These monitors are designed to offer clear motion and precision in gaming environment, and the series include the 240Hz XL2546X and the 540Hz XL2586X, both featuring a minimalistic design, ergonomic adjustability, and the XL setting to share for automatic color mode selection during gameplay. Since its inception in 2010, the XL series has evolved a response to gamer feedback, focusing on clear visuals, improved software control, and enhance user comfort. The objective has been to provide features that support competitive gaming without unnecessary aesthetic elements. And friend, both monitors incorporate the latest fast TN panel technology, known for its rapid response time compared to IPS panel, and this technology ensures sharper image outline and reduce overshoot, a common issue in aggressive liquid crystal overdrive. A key advantage of fast TN is its quick recovery for flashbang effects, allowing player to discern enemy outlines sooner. And friend, the introduction of the DyAc technology marks a significant advancement in motion clarity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.